Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Saturday. It is Monday for you guys, and I have something to come clean about. Sit down, grab yourself a cup of tea, maybe even some wine, because this is a big one. So remember last Friday I told you guys that we were cooking for Ryan's birthday. I lied. Actually cooking for my son's surprise birthday party today, so I'm super excited. By the time this video goes up, the party has already happened. So this is what I'm wearing, and I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to back up. But I'm wearing these black pants. I got these from Forever 21 probably like 2 years ago. It's like the sweater material. I don't really know the proper name for it. And then this top right here is also from Forever 21. But the pants are high-waisted, so it just matches perfectly. So I decided to wear this together. It is an all-black party. I am the queen of throwing all-black party. I'll do that in a second. So yeah. I just put my curls in my hair, and we have to be there shortly. So I'm gonna try to lift y'all up some. I'll lift y'all up so y'all can see the full outfit. It's a little wide leg at the bottom, and then yeah, this is the outfit. I'm gonna try to get a picture for Instagram. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I like it. I think it looks really cute and comfortable. And I'll probably just wear some flats because we'll be standing up, doing a lot of eating and drinking. So it's going to be a good time. I'm really excited. So we did like 4 different types of wings. And then Ryan made this dirty rice. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's so good. So, I think he's packing everything up right now. And then he also did some green beans. They're really good. My son's auntie is going to do a seafood salad. She makes the best seafood salad. It's so good. And she will not share that recipe for nothing. But it's so good. Seafood salad, and she's making macaroni and cheese. So that's what we'll be having for the party. So I do plan on picking out. But we're going to have a good time. I'm going to set you guys up at the party. I'm going to try to get as much footage as I can. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB. And let's party. All right, y'all. So we're here. And this is Jerika. She's in charge of all the decor. You want to shout yourself out?
Yes, I am Ornate Events Jax, Patricia Wiggins.
Yeah. I'll have all her information in the description box. So I'm going to show you guys the setup really quick.
Bar right there. Logistically, it might not be the best place to put him, but we do have. I think she has an extra table, and I believe you with an extra tablecloth if you want to put the bar in that corner and run the DJ right here. Or he can run it with her. We move this table over here if you want to in the corner for signature. Just want to put it like that. So those are the two optional. Yes, that could be it, or put him there and put your body. Y'all can't see me, but he's 3 minutes away, y'all.
Be quiet now. Y'all know I love him more than anything, and for a long time, he has always wanted to be named a junior after his dad. So Auntie Shay and Uncle Sean and Sharika, we agreed, and we have now changed the name to Steve.
Okay, y'all,
so I'm back home. The party was great. Ryan and them coming up. I still haven't had anything to eat. It is 12 o'clock because I didn't eat at the party. So let me show y'all my food that I made for myself. So this is the dirty rice I was telling y'all about. It's so good. Macaroni and cheese. I did baked chicken instead of the fried wings. This is the seafood salad that I was telling y'all about. And then the green beans. So that's mine. But we have some rice left. We have some of the macaroni and cheese left. And then
bunch of wings.
Wings. And then the seafood salad. Put me some in there too. So that is it. I'll let y'all see the birthday boy a little bit. Oh, here they come. What? Kick your shoes off.
I'm so ready to eat.
Me too. I haven't had anything to eat. We all ready to eat. What the heck?
Almost fell.
Right. This food was a success. Everybody liked. There's the birthday boy. How you feeling?
Hello guys.
Were you surprised?
Yeah, I am officially Steve.
Oh my God. Aaron, how do you feel?
You know, I'm a bounce back.
Oh, you got a hair tie?
Yeah. But yeah, we had a good time, y'all. So
You must be spending the night.
we're gonna go ahead and eat. And yeah, y'all might as well spend the night. Get the blow up bed. Ryan like souping up front
You're
anyway.
game.
What's
Gang. We so happy that's over. It was so
Yes.
hard. We planned. When did I plan this?
Last month.
Forever ago. And he is just so nosy, he cannot stay out of nobody's business. I'm glad it's over with.
Me too. Glad it's over with. Look at him.
Y'all right here sneaking around.
No, you're around here being too nosy.
Nosy Rose.
Y'all both tied.
Hey y'all. I'm still drinking on my iced coffee because my pods are still not here yet. Hopefully they'll be here today. But I got some of my iPad accessories in. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. This one came yesterday, so it's just the mouse. Let me show y'all how it looks. It's supposed to be really thin. So this is how it looks. I went with the gray one, and this is how thin it is. It's really nice. So I got that. Let's see what this is. Oh, and this is a docking station. It's just basically a 6-in-1 adapter. So this part here just connects to my iPad, and then whatever other plugs I may need, I can just plug it up along there. I needed one of these for the longest time. Even before I got my iPad, I should have had one of these. Because it's really important as a creator to have this type of stuff. So this is what I got, and this is how the plugs look on the side. It even have one for like the SD card. Because y'all know I edit on my phone, but I want to start editing my videos on my iPad. So got that. And then I have a big box here. Let me use this. Y'all, I'm so tired. I need to go to the gym. So after I get everything done with this video, I'm going to the gym. Okay. They gave me this big box for this little bit of stuff. Okay, so this is the screen protector that I have. So I'm gonna put that on. And then right here is the keyboard slash case. With this cord right here. And then this is how the case looks. You know, got the hole in the back. Also has the keyboard right here. So I could just have it sitting down like this, just like a little mini laptop. So that's cute. So I'm gonna put all this stuff on my iPad a little later on, probably when I get back from the gym. And then let me sit y'all up on. I gotta switch boxes because I have y'all sitting on another box. So let me take y'all off this one. Okay, and I also bought something that didn't have anything to do with my iPad. So let me show y'all. And it's from Fashionphile. My camera getting ready to die. Monogram desk agenda. I love it so much. This is how it looks. Janae, I watched Janae's video on what she got for her birthday, and she showed this, and I'm like, oh, that's so cute. So I got me one. If I can find another one on Fashionphile, I will link it. But I just bought a new agenda, so I could just put it in here. Yeah. What it's called. It's so stinking cute. So I got that. Just trying to get all my stuff together and in order for the new year. So that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and have my coffee. I'm gonna make up my bed because I haven't done that yet. And then I'm going to the gym. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.
Take it, just so deep and live my life. Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby